PlaneUpload supports uploading multiple files at the same time, with the drag-and-drop feature. In this example, all uploaded files are stored in my Dropbox account. Let's now copy and paste part of this photo to the uploader. After providing the file name, the new file is created and uploaded to the cloud. Now in the Dropbox account, we can see a new file with the contents we copied from the image editor. Same as with the images, we can copy any content like simple text. Instead of copy-pasting, we can also just drag and drop the text. Effect will be the same. Now back in the Dropbox, we can see all files we created. PlaneUpload detects the type of contents we copied from. Let's check out how it works with HTML. As you can see, a new HTML file is created, that is quite accurate that the website we copied from. This is the whole code of the example that is used in this video. Let's copy it to the uploader and see what is the result. Now in the preview, we can see that not only the code is copied but also formatting and colors.